In this portion of the video, we're going to show you how to remove the cart and reinstall it. So here we go. So in the back here, you have these tabs that go over the frame itself, and it attaches in the front as well, but the bolts go in the back. They're 2-inch quarter by 20 threaded bolts. So what you do is you simply remove those. There's one on each side. And then you simply just back the cart out. These are the tabs that I was telling you about, where they go on the bottom of the frame itself. So when you go to install this again, you make sure that those line up, and you install them all the way to the front, and then you put your nut and bolts back in. And then you can tighten those with a wrench afterwards if you choose to, or if you choose to leave them loose because you know that you're going to remove it from time to time, you can do that as well. But as always, it's recommended that you tighten the bolts. Now, for the sink drum, those go on these hooks up here. So where the handle is, where you normally grab it, okay, you line those up with those two hooks, and you simply hang that there.